Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing some penny prep where we talk about hidden clearance and future penny items. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded the new clearance markdown and penny list for this week at Dollar General, which will start on February the 20th. Also in that video, I went over some really important updates and new visuals for some clearance markdowns that we talked about last week. Plus we have huge DG news. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. And if you're new here, don't forget that I do upload new clearance and penny list info every single week. So make sure that y'all stick around and stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now this week at Dollar General, we have some of our Valentine's Day categories dropping down to 70% off, which is a fantastic deal. But they are going to continue to drop, and these items will eventually be 1 penny at DG. Now, on some of these items that you're going to see in this video, you can clearly tell that they are Valentine's Day themed, right? But maybe not so much once they are spread out throughout the store, such as these stuffed animals. I've been finding these in the regular toy section and also up on the top shelves, because in just about every DG that I've been into lately, I have seen these huge teddy bears on the top shelves, thrown in a corner on an end cap. I mean, they're just so big that they're just trying to get them out of the way. And I can guarantee you, as the weeks move forward and these continue to clearance down and even penny out, these items will be forgotten about by the employees. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go. Now also in our Valentine's Day seasonal category, we have a lot of craft type items, party favors, gift bags, and ribbons. So again, y'all make sure that you are looking down those regular party aisles, because this stuff could be anywhere. I can't tell you all how many times I have found holiday themed items in the regular party sections. Now another Valentine's item that I am finding that is commonly misplaced are the little party favors. So we do have some little bracelets, hair bows, keychains, just little knickknacks and things like that. So I do have some pictured along with the UPC code. I have found these up near the register with the other pins and little small accessories like our blue dot accessories and things like that. I have also found these items mixed in with the new Easter items that they are just now putting out on the sales floor. And then of course, make sure that you check up and down that toy aisle, because you know how kids are. They pick up one thing, you know, mom's looking at something else, don't realize that they have it. So we're going to put that down in the next aisle because we have no idea where they picked it up from. So again, just make sure that you're looking up and down every single aisle. Check on those end caps and also up near the register. Now also in our Valentine's Day seasonal category, we have home decor items. So we have several different signs that are included. We also have some little Valentine's Day themed dish towels. So again, check your regular spots. Check up and down that NCI aisle. Check behind the picture frames, any artwork. I've even checked underneath that little 3-tiered table. You just never know. Now, while we're taking a look at a few more of these items, I do want to take a second and remind everybody to please be kind when you're out there clearance and penny shopping, and always clean up after yourselves, okay? Don't get in there and get into the store and make a huge mess. Always clean up after yourselves and be kind to the employees. That will take you so far when it comes to clearance and penny shopping. Now, trust me, I understand that not every situation is going to be all butterflies and rainbows, but if you are out there clearance shopping, penny shopping, or even couponing, guys, I've been yelled at for couponing before, so that's another story for another video. But just know that I do understand. We all go through it once or twice. And if you do find yourself in a situation, my advice is to always stay calm, keep your cool, exit the building, and then we can file some complaints and talk to the right people once we're out of the store and out of the situation. So just keep that in mind. Now let's get back into looking at these hidden clearance and future penny items. So of course, don't forget to check up and down your regular NCI section for all of those cups, mugs, and water bottles. We have several super cute designs. Now here at the end, we're going to take a look at our Valentine's Day socks and the Valentine's Day party supplies, because both of those are also dropping down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, February the 20th, which means that they are going to continue to drop in price All three of these categories, Valentine's Day seasonal, Valentine's Day socks, and the party supplies, will all eventually penny out together. So I did want to include all of these categories into one video for you all, and hopefully that will make things a little bit easier to come back and reference later on when these items do eventually penny out. Now, like I always say, do your homework. Watch these videos a couple of times, and I actually asked you all in a previous video when you would like to see the hidden clearance videos, and pretty much the majority said 70% off, like that was the sweet spot. So only time will tell, but I do hope that you all take advantage of these videos and watch them a couple of times. That way when these items do drop to 1 penny, you can go into the store and they will literally jump off the shelves at you. Now, I have one more thing that I want to address before I let you all go, because I have been getting some questions about the Valentine's Day apparel and also our Valentine's Day coloring books or joke books. We have several that we thought should have been included, but unfortunately they are excluded. So all of these items that you guys are seeing scroll across your screen right now, unfortunately, are still full price at the time of posting this video. Now, stranger things have happened at Dollar General. These could join the clearance markdowns at some point, but as of right now, these are still excluded and they are still full price. Now, with that being said, there will be stores and managers and employees who decide to manually mark those items down at the register. Maybe their stores are just overflowing with inventory and they need to move some items. So it is possible that you will stumble upon a store that manually mark these items down for you at the register. But it seems like last year with the Valentine's Day apparel, I believe it stayed full price if I'm remembering correctly. Maybe some of you guys can help me down in the comments section below. Those items are Green Star items. I remember having Green Star, but I'm not sure if the Valentine's Day apparel was actually included. But let me know if you remember down in the comment section below. And that is going to be it for me for now. Y'all know the drill. Stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So, of course, before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on your notifications. Make sure that they are set to all. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. And I will see you on the next one.